Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make your own pickled jalapeños, updated. Start by selecting fresh jalapeños and sterilizing jars so your pickles last longer. Slice or leave whole depending on preference and pack tightly. Heat a vinegar brine with salt, sugar, and garlic until dissolved, then pour over peppers. Seal jars and process briefly for shelf stability or refrigerate for immediate snacking. Enjoy spicy, tangy jalapeños on sandwiches, tacos, and salads. Prepare everything before you start for a smooth pickling session. Wash peppers, remove stems, and choose whether to slice into rings or leave whole for texture variety. Put on gloves to avoid skin irritation and sterilize jars and lids in boiling water for about 10 minutes. Keep a clean workspace and have measuring tools ready. This preparation saves time and prevents surprises while you make a consistent, flavorful brine for your jalapeños. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, a clear, practical read that pairs surprisingly well with kitchen projects and long-term planning. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Grab a copy if you're curious, and now let's get back to the video. A balanced brine is the heart of great pickled jalapeños. Use a mix of vinegar and water with measured salt and sugar so acidity and sweetness are consistent. Add aromatics like garlic, bay leaf, and optional spices such as cumin or coriander to customize flavor. Bring the brine to a simmer to dissolve ingredients and bloom the spices, then pour hot over packed peppers to infuse flavor and preserve crunch and color for snacking later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.